Hey everybody, it's Red Tiller here. Thought for some fun I'd, in addition to the 361, I would bring out Boedy's Direwolf, the Christmas saw, and just run it. Hasn't gotten much run time this winter. It's been pretty crazy, but it needed to get out and do a little bit of running. And so it starts right up though. It's a great running saw, and it certainly loves to cut. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video.